Hello students, now we will solve some of the numerical problems based on Ohm's law. Here is the first question. A simple electric circuit has a 24 volt battery and a resistor of 60 ohm. What will be the current in the circuit? So let I make the rough diagram for the given question. A simple electric circuit is where it is having a 24 volt battery. So it is having a 24 volt battery and it is having a resistor . It is having a resistor, okay, is connected to the battery. Let's suppose that the current I is flowing and the resistance of the conductor they have given, it is 60 ohm. It is 60 ohm. Fine. We need to calculate what is the current flowing through the conductor, that is the resistor. Okay. Now the given data here. Voltage, the potential difference is 24 volt. Resistance of the conductor is 60 ohm. Okay, we need to calculate the current flowing through the circuit. That is I we need to calculate. From Ohm's law. From Ohm's law. From Ohm's law, we have what we have? V is equal to I into R. Fine. We need to calculate I. So I will take I LHS side. It will be V divided by R. This is equal to V is 24. R is 60. This is equal to, let us simplify this then. So here let's take 0 in the numerator. It will be 240. So 60 ones are 60, 60 4 is 240. Fine. So current is 0.4 ampere. The current flowing through the 60 ohm resistor is 0.4 ampere. The next question is potential difference between 2 points of a wire carrying 2 ampere is 0.1 volt. Calculate the resistance between these 2 points. So here there is a wire. Okay. Now let us suppose that 2 points are there, A and B. The potential difference between the points A and B is 0.1 volt. Fine. Now the current flowing through the wire. The current flowing through the wire is, it is 2 ampere. The current is flowing through the wire is 2 ampere. Now we need to calculate the resistance between these 2 points. So what will be the resistance for the wire? We need to calculate. R is equal to question mark. Fine. So the given data here, I is 2 ampere, voltage is, that is 0.1 volt. We need to calculate the resistance of the wire. We know that V is equal to I into R according to the Ohm's law. Therefore, R is equal to V by I. This is equal to V is 0.1 and the current is 2 ampere. Okay, this is equal to in order to remove the point, I need to take 0 in the denominator. So now it is not possible, still it is not possible to divide the 1 by 20. So here what I will do, I will take 1 point, I will put 1 0 here. Okay, so still it is not possible to divide. So what I will do, I will take 1 more 0 here and I will take 0 here also. Now it is 20 ones are 25 are. Fine. So the answer is 0.05 ohm is the resistance of the given wire. Fine. The next problem is a current of 200 milliampere flows through a 4k ohm resistor. What is the potential difference across the resistor? So here we have one resistor. We have one resistor here. That resistor is having the resistance 4 kilo ohm, the bigger unit of resistance, and the current flowing through this resistor is 200 milliampere. It is 200 milliampere. We need to calculate the potential difference across the ends of the conductor. We need to calculate the potential difference across the ends of the conductor. We need to calculate the V. Okay. So the given quantities are: current is 200 milliampere. And the resistance is 4 kilo ohm resistance. We need to calculate the potential difference across the ends of the resistor. We know that V is equal to I into R. Okay. Now let's check out the values of current and the resistor. The unit, SI unit for the current, it should be ampere, but it is given in the milliampere. So convert into the ampere. This is equal to 200 as it is. In order to convert milliampere to ampere, it is divided with the number 1000, because 1 milliampere is 1000. So here 0, 0, 0, 0, both are get cancels together. This is equal to 2 divided by 10. So take point, it will be 20. 10 ones are 10 twos are. So here current is 0.2. Now come to this one, resistance. It is given in kilo ohm, but the unit for the resistance is ohm. So it should be 4 into 1000, because in 1 kilo ohm there are 1000 ohms. So it is equal to 4000 ohms. Okay. Now put the values in the formula. I is 0.2. Resistance is, it is 4000. Now multiply these two numbers. 4000 into 0.2. 2 into 0, 0, 2 into 0, 0, 2 into 0, 0, 2 into 4, it is 8. 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 4 is 0, 0, 0, 0, 8, 0. Here we have after one digit point. So I will give the point after one digit. So we got the answer, the potential difference is 800 volt. So this is the answer for the given question.